Today I'm showing you the real Palm Beach. It's kind of like the Beverly Hillbillies coming to Palm Beach. But now it's the Tidy Island channel. Oh yeah, thanks for that. And the Porsche over there too. Jim and Janine here. Today we're checking out the main Municipal Beach here in Palm Beach. There's fair parking, secret bathrooms, and great views of the water. You like this beach here?
Very pretty.
Yeah. I like the rock features. Kind of like breakwaters. Now there's parking along the street here at the Municipal Beach. Let's ask that, let me ask the lifeguard. Yeah. Excuse me. Does the beach have a public restroom?
Yeah, right behind us here.
Oh, right here. Okay, great. So you go down there. Oh, great. Thank you. That'd be my dream job today. Palm Beach has showers, sand, surf. It's just a perfect day to come visit the beach today. At the foot of Worth Avenue is a sculpture celebrating a former beautiful pier that was removed to enhance the beach. Now we're on our way to the Breakers, one of the oldest and most revered luxury resorts in all of Florida. And you should see the amazing lobby they have here at the Breakers. Lots of history. Look at the stone and other items. Hey Ginny, look at those pretty flowers.
I know.
So Jeannie, are these real? Real?
Yep.
In more ways than you know. Pull up YouTube and Breakers. You think she gets paid just to take selfies of people? Okay, so this is really cool. And now we're gonna walk and check out the beach area. So let's take a look at the beach area here at the Breakers. Now we're looking at the beach. The waves are mesmerizing. A gorgeous day to be here in Palm Beach exploring the Breakers. Janine had a good find. There's oceanfront views from this room here. And a great chandelier.
No parking in the circle at any time.
Okay, so here's the deal. Palm Beach values its exclusivity and privacy, but they're kind of cheap. So if you are a Florida taxpayer, all the sales tax, resort taxes, the state of Florida renourishes the beaches. Many of the beaches are in Palm Beach. So these mansions that face the Atlantic Ocean, they're getting free beach renourishment courtesy of the state of Florida. So from the Atlantic Ocean to the high tide mark belongs to the state of Florida, even if you have a house directly on the beach. So there's no parking here, but there are maybe like 6 or maybe 10 public beach accesses where you have access where you can see some of these mansions directly from the Atlantic. Some nice looking real estate along this public beach access. Look at all those palm trees. This part of the beach is open to the public, no parking. You'll have to walk or figure out how to get here. So I'm just gonna see what I can see as we have the view. My understanding is you can video on public property. Now the sand quality is a little bit better here than we were on the municipal part of the beach. Really take heed as we are looking south towards the southern portion of Palm Beach. These homes are absolutely breathtaking. I'm gonna try to get a little bit closer to the part of the beach which is obviously acceptable for me to be on. Okay, so now we're past the erosion lines, so you're gonna see what it's like for rich people to live in Palm Beach. Could be a private club. So now this is along the really rich part where a lot of millionaires and billionaires live. Just find a public access and you can check this out.
Is this the private club, do you think?
Yeah, okay, so where I went was early. The other place would be more houses. See right here? This must be the club. So,
Did you see that big yacht out there?
wow, that's pretty impressive.
Look at these houses.
Yeah, I think this is closer to what they call Billionaire's Row. Like the really
We don't have to
richest
worry
of the
about
rich.
radio now. This is more interesting.
Yeah, well, you're very interesting too.
Are these on the beach?
Good question. I think the ones on the left, some of them are. Let me see.
Yeah, they are, because here we are.
Oh, yeah.
They would be.
Yeah, this is like the best.
Now that's on that side, but there's their beach access.
Yeah. Or is that more like a beach access thing?
Yeah, maybe for this house.
Yeah, so they got some good looking houses. You're right.
This one.
Oh, yeah.
It's like
It's
the
pretty
Mar.
cool. Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, this, I love this one. This old
Oh, because,
one.
yeah. Oh, yeah, that's very classic looking. You're going to have a very pretty drive today.
I think these people know there's a bunch of people on the road looking at everything.
Uh-huh.
Look at all those coconut palms.
Yeah, it's just so majestic. Another great looking beach today, Palm Beach.
I love that house with the coconut palms
Mm-hmm.
and it's an older house.
Mm-hmm. So you like that look, the kind of the West Indies
that
look?
that old house
Yeah.
that's been here.
Kind of like a Palm Beach Regency.
One of the
Yeah.
original
Yeah.
Palm Beach mansions.
Sure. These homes are unbelievably great looking. The Raymond Floyd course. More examples of vintage architecture.
It almost actually looks like a century village.
Yeah, it does actually. Kind of funny. I think we're the president of Palm Beach. That's funny.
Riders.
Yeah, it's kind of a tough curve.
Oh, it's not fun driving.
I'm sure. Yeah, no shortage of golf courses in this place. Pretty elegant. So pretty though.
Look, this goes like it's long.
Yeah, it's like a compound. Still pretty inviting here. Now we're looking west along the main drag of luxury shopping, boutiques, and restaurants in Palm Beach called Worth Avenue.
Gucci?
I don't see any t-shirt stores. What about you?
No.
I love the elegant umbrellas here. So Janine's going in one of the best stores in all Palm Beach, Lilly Pulitzer, the flagship store. I like all these bright colors. I love this song. So Janine's taking a look at some bright colored clothes here at Lilly Pulitzer. A lot of storefronts being renovated.
We think it was your store. It was years ago. Probably over 10 years ago.
What do you got?
Little collars. The leash is $450.
Oh, but look how pretty it is. The dog doesn't need to eat.
No, he
Yeah.
won't eat, Jan.
We'd have a nice leash, but we wouldn't afford any kibble.
Oh, look at these, Jim.
Oh, they're very safe for your dog.
Yeah.
Very nice.
You can make any combination of.
Look at that, your poodle. Can I take a picture of her?
World famous jeweler from New York, Tiffany's, also in Palm Beach. Kind of nice looking leather
Where's that?
right here.
Oh.
Fun like that. Ralph Lauren has a nice store here too.
That's much better. That's the 44. Pretty snazzy.
Yeah. They think of everything on Worth Avenue.
Owned collection. So I think they're all.
So this is like secondhand purses.
It's like a
Okay.
expensive purse thrift store is what I would
Yeah,
take
yeah,
it at, but it's
Yeah.
not like a,
Really?
I might go in there just. to
Yeah,
see.
check it. Yeah.
You might have to.
Yeah,
He might have to get you a used one.
I'd rather have a new coat. Sorry.
But just because they're vintage or runway doesn't necessarily mean they will ruin.
Right.
they're vintage or run.
But I will definitely tell you.
Look at this one. It's $52,900.
Pictures of this banana. She wants a Louis Vuitton.
Really? How much are they?
I don't know. That's what Anna wants.
Very impressive. That was the Wally Finley Gallery.
There's Salvador
Ferragamo.
Ferragamo.
Very expensive purses and leather goods. Valentino.
Probably designers.
They might have like younger designers too, like
Right,
Stella
there's-
McCartney. Yeah,
there's
like the
Fredericks
Pulitzer.
of-
Fredericks? Optic, not Fredericks of Hollywood.
Hollywood.
I like how you're thinking. I'll save that for later. Okay. You have no idea how lovely this is going to photograph when we're done.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, right.
Today.
Yeah. And the problem is the camera's not going to capture it to the level of how beautiful it really is today, but it'll be close. Look at those big yachts. And you know your husband, he loves the retro 70s
I
type
love it,
architecture.
too.
Yeah.
Most of them have hurricane shutters up.
Yeah.
They
I'm
must
sure
be
it's
gone
my view,
for
but
the
I can still
summer.
visualize what's happening here.
Oh, look at that with the pretty curtain. Oh, looks like there's something going on in there.
Jim here. Right now I'm at Mar-a-Lago, now the home of President Donald Trump in Melania. This home is now a private club, one of the nicest in all of Palm Beach, right up there with Everglades Club and the Country Club of Palm Beach. Sure looks really classy. Oh, this is the perfect day to be here. At one time, cosmetic tycoon Estee Lauder lived in this house here. Past these gates, there are billionaires and celebrities like Howard Stern, the widow of Rush Limbaugh, and many other political figures.
But this might be a yacht club because this is on the bay side.
Might be, yeah. It says private property, no trespassing.
What does it say?
No trespassing. It's pretty impressive here.
Yeah, I see sometimes it's worth it to not listen to her.
Yeah,
Do
exactly.
you see those big yachts across there?
Oh, wow. Look at those yachts. Do you think those are in a marina or do you think those are people's boats? Like, they're being built for someone.
I don't know. You
They're
can
under
see all the
construction.
docks. They said, I think those houses have docks.
Yeah.
Palm Beach Country Club. Right
That must have been where we passed.
Okay,
They wouldn't let us in.
We've got a pretty far distance back. This is pretty.
Very pretty.
The guy's riding his bike.
Yeah. Love these gently curving roads.
Oh, these are
they
built
coming
up from services.
I would think, I know he's wearing a hat. It could be because Orthodox.
'cause he's
There's an Orthodox,
walking, yeah.
I think there's an Orthodox temple.
And they're walking.
And
They're probably walking
yeah,
to the temple.
I think there's a new synagogue, Temple Emanu-EL, and an Orthodox
'Cause
temple
why is he
too.
in a suit on a hot day like
Yeah, it's gotta be hot.
They're
I think the temples and stuff are around here. Temple here, the Temple Emanu-EL. Oh, it goes back further. Temple El, Melvin and Claire Levine campus, great benefactors of the Palm Beach
Okay, what am I
community, the
doing?
United States, and the world. I bet it's at
Green's Pharmacy.
Green's Pharmacy.
Okay.
Yeah, so we find someplace to park. And I love this place. You walk into Green's Pharmacy and Luncheonette, you feel like you're in a 1970s pharmacy. I grew up in a family drugstore, remember Hallmark cards, American greetings, and you walk through a real pharmacy. My dad stood behind a counter like that. See where it says pharmacy and then? Green's Pharmacy has been an institution here in Palm Beach since 1938. There's a lot of history. Unlike CVS or Walgreens, this place has a soda fountain.
Now I'll kiss you.
And straight ahead is the beautiful building of the Palm Beach Post Office.
Let's go this way. I want to see
The Flagler Museum?
Flagler Museum.
So I learned something from you. And you said Henry Flagler made his money on the railroads?
Yes, that was his biggest thing, developing Florida and the railroads. I think it's open now.
Yeah, we're not wasting daylight yet.
No, this is in case.
But look, it's a beautiful house. I'm sure it's gonna be fun to go inside.
I wonder if it was his house.
I bet it was. It's gotta be. Hey, if you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and comment.